I'm James Ferguson. I'm on the repop crew at Pop Wrench Heating and Cooling. Well, I decided to come to Pop Wrench. I have family that works at Pop Wrench and got a good opportunity. I actually started in the warehouse and I switched over to the repop crew to learn more about the trade. And also the benefits are great. I was a correctional officer for 5 years. And then former to that, or after that, sorry, I've been turning wrenches and I decided to move over. What I like the most about Pop Wrench is that every day it's something new. I mean, you don't know if you're getting into gas work, you don't know if you're getting into water lines, you know, you may be even going to set a toilet. But at the end of the day, it's the smile on the customer's face that makes me want to keep doing what I do. Outside of Pop Wrench, I love fishing, riding dirt bikes, razors. I mean, anything got to do with that, spending time with the family. It's pretty much day-to-day life.